But now let's talk about that thin line which the parents needs to draw when they see that the kid is actually going beyond limits, or probably he's not behaving anymore like a kid.
Right.
You know, he or she has actually started to kind of dominate their parents and probably say that, okay, you know, if you're not going to do this, probably I'm going to go lock myself in the room. And you know, there, because when I was growing up, you know, I think that thin line was drawn by a chapped. You know, all of a sudden you're going to get a slap, and you are already shocked, and you're like, okay, you know, whatever they say, I have to follow. So having that authority where nobody is going to diminish that authority of a parent is something which is important, you know. So how do you think that parent needs to have that authority, because authority cannot be demanded, you know.
That's right.
This is one thing.
That's right. The lovely, a very good question, which is the, because it's on the part of the parenting that they don't know that thin line. Actually, once you are interacting with the child, there's a law of nature.
Yeah.
Once you give time positively, you get the same echo. And once you don't give, input is equivalent to the output.
Yeah.
That positive echo doesn't come. The child has to be counseled first, and he should know your habits.
Okay.
Right.
And you can counsel him yourself. Okay, you like this, I am doing this. You know what how to be a good son. Just put a question to him, and how to be a good father. So the 90% of the problems would be solved.
Exactly.
The gap would be filled through the proper counseling. First tool is not using chapped and all that. I am for that, but
That's a shortcut.
that is the last step.
Okay.
First step is counseling.
Yeah.
Because हम जिस तरह बात करते हैं ना कि we should the love has the confidence, and confidence leads to the motivation, and motivation leads to the positivity, and positivity leads to the achieving of goal.
Exactly.
Same way, if there is no love, there is no confidence, and reverse order.
Exactly.
Right.
So first thing, you need to have clear communication with the counseling, that you are supposed to do this, I am supposed to do this, look, you did this, and don't tell him that I want to do this. Tell him, if you do like this, it's embarrassment for me. What I told Ayan, please don't do it in front of guests.
Yeah.
Because I feel embarrassed because you are being disrespected.
Okay.
The degree of the self-respect raised to that level. Yeah, I don't feel good. Once you are embarrassed, people talk against you, your brothers, sisters, I really feel pain out of it.
Exactly.
And how you could reduce this pain.
Wow,
So
that's a wonderful way of asking the question.
No,
as well.
I know,
Yeah.
right? You're sort of making him feel
You're
like
making him
you're
feel like-
loyal to him.
Yes.
You want the best for him.
Yes.
And then he would obviously listen to you. But Dr. Saab, I know you have something to say, adding on to that
please.
as well as a question too. You know, one thing I might have come across, I mean, among other couples, maybe my parents too, which I don't stand by. And now there's two perspectives to it. For example, one of the parents is really open in conversation with the kids. So they will talk or complain rather about the other parent. For example, mom does
I
that,
got
or
it.
for example, dads do that,
I
right?
think we've been through that all our
Shazad
childhood.
and I talk
Yes,
about it even.
those are
No,
the
but
lovely
Dr. Saab,
memories.
but the issue is, being a child even, I don't know why, for some reason I was so mature. So even I used to think, okay, first of all, being me, being a child, I should not, I mean, this is not my dad, like dad is the best, you know, that thing. And then secondly, I'm also sort of understanding that mom needs an outlet, she needs someone to speak to. So it was okay on both sides. I did not mind it, but it does have a repercussion. So what do we do in that matter?
Ma'am, first of all, this is a very, very clear tip which I was about to talk. Why the child misbehave?
Yeah.
Because the child are thirsty to acknowledge the personality.
Sorry?
The
Acknowledge.
child, the infant child, the babies, why they misbehave under the age of 8 years?
Yeah.
Because they need importance.
Okay.
They need acknowledgement of their personality. They need somebody should know I am around.
Yeah.
If you have provided all those recipe and multivitamin, he'll not misbehave.
All right.
One of the guiding principle. Acknowledge his personality.
Yeah.
Tell him you are a bit short-tempered. Carry a course. Please don't do it, because short-tempered people don't get the success.
Yeah.
What are the tips for success? Be emotionally intelligent, be comfortable with the things, evaluate things, try to solve your problem. Teach him in isolation. Most of the problems in our society, at least I am clear, they raise because we don't acknowledge the personality of the children.
Yeah.
Right.
Parents are over caring and they want their children as they are.
Yeah.
For example, if I am a high achiever, for example, it's not necessary he'll always be high achiever in academics.
Exactly.
Right.
He may be high achiever in debates.
Exactly.
He may be high achiever in games. So tell him that is good and please fill in the blanks. Second thing, once you're friend with him, don't snub him or carry out the counseling in front of people.
Yeah.
And don't say कि आजकल ये थोड़ा लाइन से उतरा हुआ है, बिगड़ा हुआ है, तो इसको ठीक करना.
हाँ, not in
just say
front
he's
of
a good
people.
boy and just give him, okay, we'll go for your movie.
Yeah.
How I carried out the counseling of Ayan. You'll be surprised to listen. I went to see movie with him for 4 hours.
Yeah.
And once I saw the movie, after movie, I just told him, let's have walk. And no share the shortcomings.
Yeah.
And tell me what are my shortcomings. Papa आपको गुस्सा आता है. मैं कहा that's good. Why आता है? Because I'm concerned about your self-respect.
Yeah.
After that, he behaved. You need to realize somebody कि I fully acknowledge you. One,
Yeah.
and secondly, I give the proper respect to your comments.
Yeah.
And I want you a successful man.
Exactly.
But you know,
And
yes.
there was a research, I just last comment, there was research before our child reaches to the age of, let's say, around 16.
Yeah.
A father in village says around 1 lakh times, ये निकम्मा है, कुछ नहीं करता, कुछ नहीं. And he has to make that brand. Once you have given him input that way, how a nikamma who has listened around 0.1 time million, he has listened that,
Yeah.
he is not good to
But our parents have a very different notion of saying that, you know, even because Alhamdulillah, may Allah bless all our parents as well, ladies and gentlemen, because my father almost manages to say this every single day to me. पुत्र तुसी को कम ही नहीं कर दे, अस्सी तो बहुत कम कर दे सी. And the times have changed, and this is something which we have been fighting for, and we have been making sure that they realize as well, because there was this time when people used to come and be like, Hanji, what do you do? So I was like, you know, I work for television, and you know, I do these things, and they're like, okay, what else do you do? I mean, this is my full-time job. Why do you even have to ask? You know, somebody's probably getting paid the same amount working 9 to 5.
Right.
You know, if somebody does it in 1 hour, what's bad in it? And you should always utilize
That's a
your
smart,
time.
I'll say that's a smart and focused work.
I know,
Exactly.
right? But-
Better output than some.
Right.
A last comment that we are just, I'm just talking about the pro-children since last few
Yeah.
minutes.
Yes.
Just advice for the children. If you don't have prayers of your parents, if you don't have respect of your parents,
बिल्कुल.
तो you cannot get success in life.
That's true.
Because वालिद साहब की दुआ हदीस शरीफ का मफहूम है, बाप की दुआ और रब के दरमियान कोई नहीं आता.
Exactly.
Your
That's beautiful.
all hard work is multiplied by the respect and prayers of your parents.
And that's my
Absolutely
belief, and
beautiful.
I'm going to add on to this as well, because this is something which I grew up listening to, and that is Ba the Ba Naseeb. And my father used to tell me that the next line I'm not even going to say it, so I'm not even going to say it on television as well. But this is something which I've seen for myself, you know, that incident where I actually had to move back from Karachi, because
Yes.
my father had called me. He was like, Putter, you know, we're all by ourselves over here, and we will request you to please come back home, and so that we can actually enjoy our kids. And the very next day, I took a flight and I got back, and I gave my
Beautiful.
resignation to that private media house as well. And ever since then, there was no looking back. You know,
I
so
love it.
there was continuous progression in
This
my
is what
life.
it is.
Alhamdulillah.
I just say to everyone, to the youth, मैं आजकल जो कुछ हूँ अपने वालदैन की पाँव की मिट्टी के सदक़े.
ऐसा ही है.
That
And
is,
they're
we are
just
blessed
so-
with that.
They're so considerate as well. And I think, sir, where you mentioned that parents need to give room to different kind of personalities.
That's
First of
right.
all, be accepting
That's
that it is only possible. I mean, it doesn't matter if the 5 of your children are coming from the same couple, they will still be different. It's not necessary that the
That's
5
right.
children will be same. And you know, I never do this, but I actually want to take this moment and thank, or rather talk about my dad in terms of how he was really open in accepting our personalities. But as a child, we wouldn't understand that, right? So my elder sister and myself, we are 11 months apart. So we were technically in the same grades and stuff, right? So when our matric result came, now she's amazing at co-curricular stuff. She's amazing at debating and, you know, just designing and stuff.
Yeah.
And I enjoyed studying at that moment.
Yeah.
Please mind that, just at that moment.
That's right.
So, all right, so she gets 63% and I get a 87%, and she gets, in that time, she gets braces, she gets 20,000 in cash, she gets shopping, whatever she needs to do. And what do I get? Okay, you can buy books of your own liking, right? And I minded that. I was like, I studied for an 87%, I want more money, I want, you know, but that never happened. That was
Right.
because both of us were accepted.
That's
And then later on, the best part is me being, in terms of my mentality, I felt like I was different than my siblings. And my dad being a Fauji dad, he was way too different. But he really opened up to my kind of personality. He allowed me to work the kind of work I wanted to do because he just had this faith I was going to respect him.
He just supported you. He encouraged your potential, basically.
Yes,
Yeah.
not
That's-
with me,
that's
with
like a
every
good parent.
child, with
That's-
every child, and I
yes,
think it's amazing.
what the potential they have. I would call it कि ये ग्रेटफुलनेस की एक इंडिकेटर है. वट एवर यू पोटेंशियल यू हैव, you show it.
Exactly.
And you exert it. There are 4 tips for these students who rise in life, children के लिए.
Yes.
One is sense of gratefulness. Son is learn from the parents, and second is be patient to listen them, and find the parents are the best friends.
Yeah.
Indeed.
And there are 4 things for the parents. Love your children, you love it, please demonstrate it. Body language.
So
Yeah.
important.
Because जो मैं उर्दू में अक्सर बात करता हूँ, मोहब्बत इजहार की गुलाम है.
Exactly.
जब तक इजहार नहीं है, मोहब्बत नहीं.
मोहब्बत नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
So if you love your children, show it on ground through NLP, through second sense of gratefulness, शुक्र गुजार होना अल्लाह का, मखलूक का और हर चीज कायनात की हर चीज का. It's a key to success. And above all, to the youth, you cannot get success in life till the time you are grateful to your Allah Almighty and your parents.